Recently, I've been doing a lot of work using Zuplo, the serverless API gateway, to help me take my Supabase backend and make it API first. So that means having API keys, developer documentation, rate limiting, and turn it into a true API product. When I'm doing that, sometimes I still want to use JWT tokens from Supabase. And because I'm so focused on the backend and the API, I don't want to keep building login UI. I found myself doing it multiple times. And so naturally, being an engineer, I decided to solve that by building a simple tool and decided to make it free and available for everybody online. It's at supabase.jwt.com. That's supabase.jwt.com. And it's really easy to use. The instructions are here. You basically get your Supabase URL. So I'll go to my Supabase instance here, settings, API. I'll copy this URL, paste it in here. The next thing I need is my anonymous key. This is public information anyway. You put this on your website, anybody can get it. So this is not sensitive. Do not take the service role key. That is a secret. You shouldn't be putting that into random websites, but your anon key should be fine. I paste that in here, and now I get a login UI. So couldn't be easier. If I want to support social login like Apple, Discord, GitLab, I just check these boxes. If I've set up my Supabase to do this, I will need to add this supabase.jwt.com URL to my redirect domains in Supabase if I want to do that. But in most cases, I'm just going to log in with an email address to get a JWT token. So I'm going to enter some credentials I have here for this account. I'm going to sign in, and boom, there is the JWT data for this particular user. And here is the access token, which I now copy and use in test scenarios. So it's completely free. It's at supabase.jwt.com. We don't store any of this information. The website is entirely client-side, and so we don't actually remember anything. If I log out here, you'll see that this is remembered, but it's simply stored in your local storage on your browser. It's never submitted back to our servers. So very much like jwt.io if you've ever pasted a JWT token into that service. Have fun.